Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to disable the IPv6 address on Ubuntu 20.04. First of all, log into your Linux VPS using the Bitwise SSH client. Firstly, you need to make sure that you have IPv6 enabled on your system. Check your IP address in Ubuntu with the following command. You should see the IPv6 address if it is enabled. Your internet card name may be different. To disable IPv6, you only have to enter 3 commands. You can check if it works. You can see that there is no IPv6 address in the output. To re-enable IPv6, you will have to undo the changes you made. To enable IPv6 until reboot, type You can check if it works. Now, you can see the IPv6 has been re-enabled. Check your IP address in Ubuntu with the following command. Open the sysctl.conference file by running the following command. Add the following lines to the file. For the settings to take effect, use. You can check if it works. You can see that there is no IPv6 address in the output. Now, if you want to re-enable IPv6, you can remove the lines you added or change them too. You can optionally reload these values. Again, you will see the IPv6 address.